What do you crave on scorching summer days? Icy relief or fiery spice? This cold tantanmen delivers both with creamy soy milk based soup and sizzling pork that revolutionize your heat strategy. Let's master this paradox together. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google Hiyashi Tantanmen space dachi to find me. Heat a little oil in a frying pan over medium heat, just about 1 teaspoon will do perfectly. Add your 100 grams of ground pork along with a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Cook until the pork starts to change color. You'll see it transforming from that raw pink to a lovely brown hue. Ground pork is absolutely the style of tantanmen in Japan, but you could experiment with ground beef or chicken if that's what you've got on hand. This is when we add our flavors: 30 grams of finely diced Japanese leek, half tablespoon of chili bean paste, and 1 teaspoon of yellow miso paste. If you can't find Japanese leek, regular leeks or onions work beautifully. Just avoid thin green onions like scallions here. As always, all ingredients and exact measurements for this recipe can be found in the description box below. Stir fry to combine everything beautifully. The combination of the savory sweet miso and the bold kick from the chili bean paste is creating something magical in your pan right now. Continue cooking until the pork is browned and the mixture is well incorporated. You want every piece of meat coated in those gorgeous flavors. Remove the pan from the heat and set aside. This seasoned meat mixture is going to be one of our key toppings. Now, let's create our sauce base. Grab a small saucepan and while it's still cold, add half a tablespoon each of Asian style chicken bouillon powder, yellow miso paste, toasted sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Add in 2 tablespoons of ground sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of chili oil, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Japanese soy sauce, and finally half a teaspoon each of ginger paste and garlic paste. Here's something crucial. Heat this over the lowest heat, stirring continuously until the chicken bouillon powder and sugar have completely dissolved. Don't be intimidated by the number of components here, they simply get mixed together for an easy yet incredibly flavorful sauce. Remove from heat immediately after the ingredients are dissolved. The idea here is to make a smooth sauce base without fully cooking the ingredients. Now comes the ingredients that makes this recipe so special: soy milk. Mix your cooled sauce base with 300 ml of chilled unsweetened soy sauce. This soy milk creates an amazing rich soup that's still light and refreshing. It's absolutely ideal for those scorching summer days when you need something that satisfies without weighing you down. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking, can I use other milk instead? Well, technically yes, but I've tried this with cow milk and almond milk, and let me tell you, they're both a bit too, how do I put this nicely, intrusive for this dish. They want to be the star of the show, but we need them to play a supporting role. The subtle earthy flavor and creamy texture of soy milk really works the best here. Cover the mixture and refrigerate until ready to use. Preparing the soup ahead of time like this ensures we get a thoroughly chilled base for our ramen. Now for our noodles. Bring a large pot of water to rolling boil and cook your ramen noodles for just a tiny bit longer than the packaging instructions say. This extra cooking time, we're talking about 30 seconds to 1 minute longer, ensures the noodles maintain their perfect texture even after being soaked in the ice bath later. If you've got time and want the authentic experience, homemade ramen noodles are incredible, but high quality dried noodles work beautifully too. Drain the noodles in a colander and give them a good rinse with cold water, then transfer them immediately to a bowl of ice water to cool completely. Once the noodles have cooled completely, drain them well and divide between your serving bowls or deep plates. Pour the gorgeous chilled soup right over the noodles. Look at that creamy, spicy goodness. Top with your prepared minced meat mixture and your choice of fresh summer vegetables. I'm using soft-boiled eggs, julienne cucumber, sliced tomato, and finely chopped green onions. But feel free to get creative with your favorite summer salad vegetables. The goal is to complement the rich, spicy soup with fresh, cooling elements that make every bite a perfect balance. And there you have it, your own bowl of Hiyashi Tantanmen, the perfect answer to what do I want when it's too hot for regular ramen, but I still crave those bold, satisfying flavors. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my ramen playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.